Where's Brad?
If we could just have everyone's attention, please. If everyone could just take their seats for a little bit, we have a few words. Louder. Assalamu alaikum, everyone. Thank you, everybody, for coming. So, my family asked, or rather nominated me, to speak this evening. So I won't take too much of your time. First of all, I know I said this earlier, but more people have arrived. So I just wanted to say a very heartfelt thank you and welcome to all of you for joining us on this very special day on the reception of my brother Naveed and his lovely bride, Sharmeen. Okay. I'm a little nervous, I'm sorry, Sharmeen.
It's not like 250 people looking at you.
All right, so first of all, thank you to everyone for being here. So I was thinking about what I should talk about, and I gave it some thought, and I couldn't really come to anything, but I thought, why not talk about marriage? I figured today would be a good day to do that. So we know that marriage is the joining of two hearts and two people coming together as one to go through their journey in what we call life. So first of all, a round of applause to Sharmeen and Naveed for coming together in this beautiful union. So we know that it all starts with family. Marriage is not the joining of just two people and two hearts coming together to form their own family, but it starts with family. So we know that when we come together in marriage, it's two families that are really getting married. So we'd like to extend a very warm welcome with loving hearts and open arms to the Shahid family. Thank you so much for becoming part of our family. So speaking of family, we know that our family is our roots, and it's very important to have strong roots in order to have a strong foundation. In our case, our roots are our parents. Myself, my brother Naveed, my brothers Tanveer and Faraz. Thank you to our wonderful parents who have always been a solid foundation for us. They've taught us to go through life by being honest and doing what's right. And we stand here before you today with love and honesty. And we thank Allah for the blessing of such loving parents. So thank you for our parents. Naveed and Sharmeen, as you embark on this new journey, this new and exciting journey, I pray that you find happiness in your lives by always staying honest and true to one another and remembering that your family are your roots. Always keep your roots and stay strong. May Allah bless you both together with a long and happy life. And as you start your own family on this new journey, we wish you very, very well. I know that you wanted to say a few words. Just to let everyone know kind of what the agenda for the evening is. Obviously, everyone enjoyed, I hope you all enjoyed the appetizers. Did you enjoy the appetizers? That's good. So my brothers would like to say a few words, and then the father of the groom, my dad, Kamal Rizvi, will say a few words. After that, I will make another announcement, and then we'll announce dinner. For dinner, I'm just going to ask for your cooperation because there are so many loving people here today. We want to make sure that we try to do it in an organized manner. So I'll call tables, and if you'll just bear with me, then this way we make sure everyone, there's nobody waiting after like 200 people, because that's no fun. Okay, so Tanvir.
I thought you didn't have anything written down. You had a whole speech there. I'm Tanvir, obviously Ivan's brother. On behalf of my parents and Javi's parents, I want to welcome you all here. I know you guys have traveled from a long ways, from Denver, Colorado Springs, and from out of state. Just want to make this quick. Just want to talk about Paiyan for a minute. Obviously, this is my brother over there, and the three of us are known as the Musketeers around town. We're always hanging out, we're always doing stuff together, but in the last couple weeks, just the change that I've seen in him has been really significant. He's more calm, he's more happy, he's easy to talk to. He actually picks up his phone when I call him, but I think it's more because there's a lot of planning going on, so he needs me. But Javi, welcome to the family. I really look forward to taking on you some more and having fun with you. Once again, thank you everybody for coming. And thanks to crew for making sure the food is out there and the drinks are out there for you guys. Daddy, I know you had a couple words.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. In the name of Allah, the most gracious, the most merciful. All the praises and thanks to be to Lord Allah, the Lord of mankind, jinn that exists, the most gracious, the most merciful, the only owner and the only ruling judge. We only worship you and we ask for your help for each and everything. Guide us to the right path, the way of those on whom you have bestowed your grace, not the way of those who earn your anger, nor of those who choose the wrong path. Muazzez Khwateen o Hazrat, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. To our American friends, ladies and gentlemen, good evening to all of you, and to our Indian friends, namaste. I, my wife, our sons, our daughter Shanila, and our son-in-law Syed Nasir Jamal welcomes you all for this auspicious occasion of Walima reception for our son Naveed Rizvi. Our special guests are bride's parents, Major Shahid Malik and his wife, Mrs. Yasmeen Malik. It was a very difficult task to persuade and convince Naveed to go to Islamabad and meet Sharmeen. The number one excuse was, I do not know the family or the girl. Number two excuse was, I do not have the money. Number three excuse was, who will look after the business? Well, after a lengthy discussion, he lost the battle. His not turned into yes, and he agreed to go to Islamabad. In his absence, by the grace of Almighty, everything worked out well at business. To my staff is like my family members. Farad Rizvi and Adin Kanesa looked after the business and the customers. My three technicians looked after the shop. I sincerely want to thank Farad Rizvi, Adam Kanesa, Steve Foreman, Patrick Goodrich, and Frank Del Grande. I want you to, all three of you, to please rise. You guys did a very good job. But this marriage relationship, all the credit goes to my wife, Ismat Rizvi. She played a big role to bring Sharmeen into Rizvi family. I would like to thank my brother-in-law, Brigadier Aslam, and his wife, Dr. Roxana. They were a big help. They arranged the meetings between Sharmeen and Naveed in Islamabad. May God reward them. This is a purely arranged marriage. No dating was involved. I and my wife, Ismat, are proud of Naveed. Likewise, we are sure that Major Malik and Mrs. Yasmin Malik will be proud of their daughter Sharmeen. I and Ismat want to thank you, Major Malik and Yasmin Malik, as you have traveled all the way from Pakistan to USA for this noble cause. We also sincerely would like to thank our niece Maheen Rizvi and Faizan Rizvi, our nephew. Please rise. Where is Faizan? Yes, let me start again. Maheen Rizvi and our nephew Faizan Rizvi for their efforts to come from Pakistan to attend this Walima reception. Also, I would like to thank my brother and my sister-in-law, Sabina and Khalid. Please rise. Sharmeen, entire Rizvi family welcomes you with blessings, love, and best wishes. We also would like to thank our cousins, brother-in-laws, sister-in-laws, nieces, nephews.
Finish it up, man.
One moment, please.
Oh, you lost the page, sir.
No, I have to.
Finish it up, man.
Yes. Nieces, nephews, their children, our grandchildren, our daughter and son-in-law. All these people have traveled from other states. We are highly indebted to all of you and appreciate very much your presence. Ladies and gentlemen, once again, I and Ismat would like to thank you all. Please bless the couple and remember in your prayer. Thank you.
Thank you, Daddy. That was lovely.
That was so lovely.
We would be remiss if we did not thank one other person that made a special effort to come here from California. Sharmeen, from your family, your Chachi, Mrs. Shahid, thank you so much for joining us. We appreciate your coming. I know it was an effort for you as well. And I would be really remiss if I didn't thank my Mamu and Mumani, who, Mrs. Tasneem Ashraf, for attending both ceremonies, the one in New York as well as the one in Colorado. Thank you. I know that was a tremendous effort and our family really appreciates it. Next, what we'd like to do is have something called a sera. For those of you that aren't familiar with it, it's basically special blessings for the bride and groom, which include their family members individually. It's very poetic. It's being recited in Urdu, so if you don't understand it, just bear with us and we can try and translate as best as possible. The sera is being read by my uncle, Mr. Islam. Khalid. Thank you. Mr. Waqar Islam, everyone.
अस्सलाम वालेकुम। दिल मसरत की फरावानी से दीवाना है आज, दिल मसरत की फरावानी से दीवाना है आज, देखना ये कौन आखिर ज़ेब काशाना है आज। गुंचो गुल थे मगर इनमें ये रानाई न थी, इससे पहले तो बहार इस धूम से आई न थी।
वाह।
ये मजाज लखनवी के दो शेर थे जो इस तकलीफ की मुनासबत से मैंने आपके सामने पेश किए। बहरहाल ये क्या कहते हैं, दूल्हा की वालदा साहिबा ने मुझसे कहा कुछ लिखो, मैंने कहा कि भाई कोशिश कर रहा हूँ, हालांकि मैं इस ड्यूटी का के लायक नहीं हूँ। बहरहाल नवीद के सर पे ये सेहरा है, सजा आज की रात। नवीद के सर पे ये सेहरा है, सजा आज की रात। ये रात काश ठहर जाए यहीं आज की रात।
वाह।
ये रात काश ठहर जाए यहीं आज की रात। कलियां मुश्ताक हैं सेहरे की चटकने के लिए, कलियां मुश्ताक हैं चेहरे की चटकने के लिए, और फूल तैयार हैं खिलने के लिए आज की रात। फूल तैयार हैं खिलने के लिए आज की रात। फूल जिस कदर मोहब्बत के मयस्सर से पिरोए मैंने, फूल जिस कदर मोहब्बत के मयस्सर से पिरोए मैंने, सेहरा मिसाली लो मुबारक हो तुम्हें आज की रात। सेहरा मिसाली लो मुबारक हो तुम्हें आज की रात। हुस्न कामिल पे हसी जोड़ा हिना की खुशबू, हुस्न कामिल पे हसी जोड़ा हिना की खुशबू। दो नगीनों का ज़मीं पर है लगन आज की रात। दो नगीनों का ज़मीं पर है लगन आज की रात। मुझको अंबर में दबी हुस्न की धूल, मुझको अंबर में दबी हुस्न की देवी है दुल्हन। चांद से कह दो के देखे न इधर आज की रात। चांद से कह दो के देखे न इधर आज की रात। इस्मत के चेहरे पे मुसर्रत की फरावानी है, इस्मत के चेहरे पे مسرت کی فراوانی ہے مجھ کو لگتا ہے کہ تقدیر نگوں آج کی رات مجھ کو لگتا ہے کہ تقدیر نگوں آج کی رات شفقت پدری میں کمال بھائی کا کوئی ثانی نہیں شفقت پدری میں کمال بھائی کا کوئی ثانی نہیں فرض اول تھا یہ تکمیل ہوئی آج کی رات فرض اول تھا یہ تکمیل ہوئی آج کی رات شینی نازاں ہے کہ ایک بہن سے جاگی قسمت شینی نازاں ہے کہ ایک بہن سے جاگی قسمت اس کا صحرا بھی ہے بھائی کے سر آج کی رات اس کا صحرا بھی ہے بھائی کے سر آج کی رات فراز و تنویر کی اب تو کچھ امید بندھی فراز و تنویر کی اب تو کچھ امید بندھی ان کی راہوں کا جو پتھر تھا ہٹا آج کی رات
Wow, nice.
ان کی راہوں کا جو پتھر تھا ہٹا آج
I've got one more to go. And I'm looking where I have got it. And that is for Major Bob. Boarding card.
میجر و بیگم شاہد کی آمد ہے ہم میجر و بیگم و شاہد کی آمد سے ہے سرشار سبھی ان کی ہم پہ یہ عنایت ہے آج کی رات. Actually, I couldn't get through in that sweet moments, that. Okay. My apologies to all those people who are over here who could not understand this, but this is something we have, accustomed to for a new for bride and groom to pay tribute to her, actually. بہت بہت مبارک ہو دولہا دلہن کو اور آپ ہماری طرف سے اور نجمہ کی طرف سے کیا کہتے ہیں عصمت کو اور کمال بھائی کو اینڈ میجر صاحب کو اور ان کی وائف کو اور تھینک یو ویری مچ فار لسننگ آل دیٹ لیٹس ڈانس ٹو
Thank you, everyone. I hope you enjoyed the eloquent speeches. Okay, so in a few moments, we'll be announcing dinner. After dinner, we will have music and dancing. At 8:30, for those that would like to offer Salat al-Maghrib, if you go out the door and across the hallway, we have room for prayers. So at that time, you can do that. enjoy yourselves. We're going to turn the music back on, and I'll be back with you shortly for dinner in about 10 minutes. Thank you, everyone.